Indiranagar is the heart of Bengaluru's nightlife, buzzing with energy, music, and an eclectic mix of pubs and beverages. Whether you are into craft beer, live music, or nightlife dancing, this area has it all. Let's explore the top 10 pubs in Indiranagar that guarantee a memorable night out. The first one is Do It. Do It is one of the most iconic brew pubs in India and a landmark in Indiranagar's nightlife. It's known for its freshly brewed beers like Basmati Blonde and Dark Knight, which are favored among regulars. The rustic wooden interior, buzzing crowd, and upbeat vibe make it perfect for groups. Their pizzas, burgers, and continental dishes pair brilliantly with the beer. Service is quick despite the heavy crowd, and the evening often get packed, especially on weekends. For craft beer lovers, Joy is an unmissable stop. The second one is Arbor Brewing Company, ABC. ABC is a heaven for beer enthusiasts, offering a wide selection of craft brews that change with the season. The spacious interior, quirky decor, and regular events like beer feast give it a lively vibe. Their American-inspired menu with nachos, burgers, and wing is the perfect companion to chill pits. ABC also draw a mixed crowd of locals and expats, making it feel cosmopolitan. Staff are knowledgeable and suggest beer based on your taste. The third one is Love 38. Love 38 stand out with its massive interior, neon lighting, and international nightclub feel. The place has a large dance floor with DJs and live bands perform, keeping the crowd on their feet all night. Their cocktails are bold and innovative, from classic mojitos to signature house mixes. Food ranges from American bites to hearty Indian curries, giving plenty of variety. The vibe is electric, often attracting Bengaluru's party-loving crowd. The fourth one is the Humming Tree. The Humming Tree is a cultural pub that doubles as a live performance venue. Its regular hosts indie band, stand-up comedy night, and art events make it more than just a bar. The drinks menu is creative with cocktails, beers, and affordable experience for youngsters. Interior have a casual bohemian feel that attract art lovers and free spirits. Food is simple but complement the drinks with plenty of vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. The fifth one is Pepper Pub and Brewery. Pepper is one of the Indiranagar's most popular rooftop pub, known for its in-house brewed beers and panoramic views. The multi-level setup includes lively dance floor and quieter rooftop seating for couples. Their menu is vast, ranging from North Indian tandoori dishes to continental platters. Weekends here are especially buzzing with DJs spinning energetic beats. The next one is Watson's Indiranagar. Watson's has a more laid-back charm compared to flashy pubs, making it a favorite for relaxed evenings. Its colonial-style interior and pocket-friendly pricing attract both youngsters and working professionals. The menu includes comfortable food like fries, sandwiches, kebabs, and Indian snacks that pair well with drinks. The bar has an extensive selection of spirits, cocktails, and beers. The next one is the 13th floor. The 13th floor is a legendary rooftop pub offering stunning views of Bengaluru skyline. Its romantic candlelit setting make it favorite for couples and special evenings. The cocktails are crafted with care and the menu include Indian, Asian and continental options. Watching the sunset with a drink in hand here is a memorable experience. The next one is Bob Bar. Bob's Bar is fun, quirky and unapologetically old school Bengaluru. The decor includes retro posters, colorful walls, and a casual, budget-friendly setup. Drinks are among the cheapest in the area, attracting students and young professionals. Their food is inspired by local Karnataka flavors, with spicy fried snacks being a highlight. The second last is Pico's Classic. Pico is one of the oldest pubs in Bengaluru and has a cult following among rock music fans. The interior are dimly lit with retro decor playing classic rock that keep the vibe authentic. Drinks here are budget friendly and their chill beer is a crowd favorite. The food is simple, snacks, rolls and fried items perfect for the pub nights. The last one is Indiranagar Social. Socialist trendy pub that blend cafe culture with nightlife energy. During the day, they work as a co-working cafe, and by evening, it transforms into a buzzing pub. The industrial interior, graffiti wall, and creative cocktails like their famous LL Double IT make it a crowd magnet. Their full platter and finger food are equally popular. Indiranagar's pub reflect Bengaluru's vibrant and cosmopolitan nightlife. From classic rooftop to budget-friendly retro bars, the area has something for every mood and budget. Whether you want a sip craft beer, dance at night, or just chill with friends, these top 10 pubs guarantee unforgettable memory.